Hello, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name's Danny and I'm always tired. Today I decided to play around with my LimeCrime Venus palette. This is basically like modern Renaissance, before modern Renaissance was a thing. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. First thing first, priming my lids with the Ulta Beauty Longwear Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer. And I'm just setting the lids with NYX's White Matte Eyeshadow in Whipped Cream. Just setting the base so any shadows we put on won't skip or tug or be patchy or stick to any certain places. I'm going to be using the LimeCrime Venus Palette. This was actually one of the first palettes I bought. And let's go in with Rebirth. Put that right in the crease. As you can see, it's super pigmented. I'm just switching to a big fluffy brush and just blending out the edges just to make sure everything is nice and diffused. Then going in with just a little bit more right there in the crease. I'm really making sure to bring it from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner of the eye. Then let's go in with Venus and placing that right there in the crease as well, just building up opacity. Going in to Muse, one of my favorite reds that exist because they don't pull really pink like a lot of reds can. Putting that right in the crease just to make a really nice deep shadow. And blending it out with Rebirth, which is that pink. And on the inner and outer corners, we're taking Rebirth and just stamping it there, meeting it into the crease. And then taking Muse and stamping it on the very outer corner, so making a blend again. Big fluffy brush and blending that all together. And then I'm going in with that flat brush into Icon and further defining that crease right there. And then blend it out with Muse. And blend it out with Rebirth. And then I am going to be cutting the crease, which is always risky business. And to do that, I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Longwear Waterproof Concealer. Before I chicken out, let's just get into it. So right on the center of that lid there, I'm going to take Show, pat it right on top. Blend out the corners with Rebirth. I'm going to be using the Stila Glitter and Glow in Tulip Twinkle right in the center. And deepen those outer corners with a mix of Muse and Icon. And then take just a bit of Aura and pop that right on top. I'm just taking a super thin defining liner brush and I'm just taking more concealer, carving right underneath that darkness so that it's a really popping cut crease. So I just did the other eye, I put lashes on. Now we're gonna move on to the lower lash line. Now I just want to clean up the edges of my eye right there. For the lower lash line, I'm taking an Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Liner in Rush, and then blending Rebirth on the lower lash line. In the inner corner, I'm just putting that matte white right in the inner tear duct and blending it out. And let's do some quick lower lash mascara. Then we'll take Aura as a brow bone highlight. And we'll pop that in the inner corner as well. For lips, I use the Mix and Matte Lip Duo from Flower Beauty in the shade Tickled Pink. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I enjoyed making it. I think it's a really pretty eye look, and I really enjoyed using my Venus palette. Again, this I used all the time back when I bought it, like right when it first came out, and I'm glad that I got to play with it again and make this really pretty eye look. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please leave a thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to subscribe down below so you can see the videos that I put out next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I said it before and I'll say it again.